So this is what it looks like when you walk up to the desk. My desk is in my bedroom, and starting off, I have a 3-tier IKEA organizer, I guess you can say. I guess we can look at it now. And then I have some of my med school textbooks. I have Robbins, and then I have first aid, and then I have a notebook, some printer paper here because I like to write a lot of my notes. So I have printer paper here. And then in the first drawer, you have it's a lot, I feel like it's a lot of miscellaneous stuff. So it's a lot of like my pens. I have some pens in this bag. I have a suture kit in here. I have badges from conferences I've gone to or badges I need for school. And I have some pens in the back. In the second one, we have more textbooks. This is dry erase markers. And then that's pretty much it. Just textbooks and dry erase markers in this drawer. And then in this final drawer, there's a bunch of like technology stuff. So more chargers if I want more chargers. Pretty much anything I have. Like I have this charger I've never used. And then my old laptop is also in here. She's buried all the way down. I keep all my camera stuff and anything that's like technology related in here. Okay, and now at the main desk. I will try my very hardest to link everything, but I feel like that might be almost like impossible to do, but I will see what I can do. So this is my desk from IKEA, and then this is my laptop. I have a laptop stand that I got from Amazon here, and I've had this for a really long time. I think maybe like since the start of freshman year of college. So I think it's been like maybe 6 years. And then moving more to the left, I have my mouse pad, my mouse, and my keyboard. These two came together. Both were from Amazon. And then moving up slightly, we have the whatever this is, like the stand. I have the stand. Usually I have coffee that I have here. Either coffee or matcha is always in this little holder. Sometimes water, but mostly coffee or water. And then I have a little stress ball that's supposed to keep me, not as stressed. And then I have a Fight Like a Girl sticker that I got recently. And then I have my Anki remote for the people that are not in med school. This is the remote med students use to do their flashcards, so it's like doesn't take forever. And I usually keep one main pen here, and that's pretty much it. This shouldn't be there, but I digress. And then I need this for my iPad, so I usually keep it here. I have a sticky note here that I like, so. And then I guess we can talk about my monitor. I got this monitor earlier this year, and I really like it. I got it from Costco. That's where this monitor is from. I'll try to link it if they still sell it. Right to the right, I have a candle warmer that I recently got. And I absolutely love this thing. It moves around my room quite a lot, but right now it's here. And then I feel like this is like a stress-free candle, I think. Balance. I don't know, whatever that says. And then I have another lamp that I use. This one is like more bright. This one is more for the vibes, while this one is actually to give me light so that I'm not studying in the dark, because I do study a lot at night. And then moving back to the other side of the desk, we have my iPad and my Apple Pencil. And then you have this pouch that I've had for a while. It just has like, I don't know, pens in it. I can open it. Yeah, it's just like pens and tape that if I need to, I can use. The stand from my iPad is from IKEA. I remember getting that. And then the little organization for my, I don't know, pens I have a stapler, Sharpies, highlighter, scissors, and some markers. You would be surprised how much I need scissors every time I'm in here. And then I have a bunch of index cards for whenever I want to write something down, or, I don't know, make flashcards, which I don't really do anymore, but yeah. And then I have this camera that I got that I use for Zoom meetings. I absolutely love it. It can come off and I just hook it back on. I like doing meetings with it. What else is left? I think that's pretty much everything. And then underneath the desk, there's nothing there. And that's how I like it. So it's very like peaceful here, And then for the last part, I have this footrest that I keep my foot on, especially when I'm sitting here like for a really long time. I like to have a little footrest. But yeah, I have like different wires down here that plug into my laptop. So when I open my laptop, she does a little thingy and then it just projects to my monitor. And then the monitor, I can change the brightness on it. So the settings are back here where I can either like turn it up or down depending on, I don't know, what's going on during the time of the day. Like this one says eye saver mode, and I think that one's supposed to be more like nighttime brightness. But yeah, that's my desk. I am absolutely in love with her. Oh, and then the chair. I almost forgot about the chair. So the chair is from Amazon. The blanket I got from Kohl's. And I get so cold when I study, so I always have a blanket with me. The chair has adjustable height, I believe. So this is where I am most of the time, and I've curated it to be very relaxing over here. And I also have the mirror like right behind it in case, like during the day, I will study with the windows open just to get some light, into my eyes. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, and I will hopefully see you in my next one. Bye!